Good morning, Pat. Assalamualaikum. Jen, Tamam, Alhamdulillah. Now you have a baby. Now you give birth na. Oh my God, it's already 14 days. Now you give baby. Where is Muhammad? Muhammad. Hi, Pat. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, Pat. Thank you so much. Oh my God, where is your baby? Please. Please out your baby na. Please. I see only moving, but I did bird see the small baby. You cover too much. Please. Hi, Pat. Morning.
Good morning to babies. Have a nice day. Hope your day is okay. But it's so hot. It's cute.
Hi, baby Roa. Hi, baby Jamila. Hello. Good afternoon. Hi, good afternoon. Where is your mama and papa? Huh? Wininti. Huh? Lasima. Mini. Looking for your pod, ah. Hi, baby Twin. Ay, now you have here now, huh? Maybe after tomorrow you will fly na, you will leave us na, huh? Hello, baby Jamila. And baby Roa. Hello, good afternoon. Oh my God, it's hot. It's windy. Oh, you're here. Eee. Where is your mom? Fatima, Muhammad, where are you? Why you abandon your baby here? The twin baby. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. Beautiful eyes. Yeah, baby Jamila. Where is Muhammad, huh? And Fatima is there? Allah. Okay, baby. Sleep. Okay, sleep. Your mommy and dad will come later with food, okay? Okay, bye for now. Stay here, huh? Sleep. Don't leave us, huh? Maybe tomorrow you have already wings. I know here. Maybe you fly na, huh? Okay, bye.
Again. She kissed again. She missed too much her baby. The baby kiss also. She miss her mom. She cover her baby. She cover it. Pat, good morning. Good morning. The baby is see. She looking on my baby. Hi, Pat. Good morning. Good morning, Pat. She looking on me. The mommy is coming. See? She give food. The baby, she kissing her baby. Too much miss. So sweet. Fatima, good morning. So sweet. Oh my God, she kissed too much. Oh my God, Pat, you are so sweet. Mommy's is coming. See, she too much miss her baby. Oh my God. The mommy's love. Unlimited love. Love you, Pat. Thank you for caring to your baby. Thanks for caring.